Hello folks, what we got here is a 2012 Suburban. Alright, the problem here was that when you put the AC on, the switch was blinking 3 times and then it shut off. 3 times and it shut off. And the compressor was not turning on. So the first thing we do is we put a set of gauges on there, and when I put the gauges on there, it showed 0 on both of them. So there was no Freon in there. So I took my little vacuum pump here, works off of a compressor. You hook it up with a third hose to my gauge over here. Turn the knobs off. All right, you open them. Open that all up. Create a little vacuum. Vacuum it for a good half an hour, 40 minutes. And you watch the needle. The needle should be in the negative. See where it is number 0? It should be somewhere around the 30 area. All right, so after about half an hour, 40 minutes, I go and I shut these valves off and watch it and let it sit. If you don't remember where the needle was before, take a picture of it. All right, come back in about half an hour, 40 minutes. The needle should not move. If it moved, then that means you have a leak somewhere. So it didn't move, so for whatever reason, there was no Freon in there. So apparently with the vacuum and looking at the gauges, it does not show that it has a leak, but you never know. But for now, that's what we did. And then we went to AutoZone, picked up some Freon. All right, it takes let's just say right there 1360 kgs, which is about 4 cans and a little bit more. All right, so almost 5 cans. All right, so go buy yourself 5 cans and you install it, turn on the AC, and this is what you get. Low side is roughly around 30, high side is around 200. Outside temperature right now is 85 degrees with a 60% humidity. So that's as close as you're gonna get to it. I'm going to show you what the temperature is on the inside. There's a gauge on the inside. Let's take a look. Let's spin it around. Inside looks like it's around 40. All right, see that? Let me lower this sound a little bit here. All right, it's about 40 in here. That's the best you could do in this weather. But like I said, first when you come in, you turn this on, that light flashed 3 times and shut right off. 3 times, shut right off. All right, so the problem with this one is low Freon. So Freon is in, it's at a nice temperature. Remember, 32 is freezing, so you don't want 32. But that's pretty good for the humidity and for the hot weather for today. All right, that's it. Be safe. Thanks for watching.